Check this out, guys. We're here at this guy's property and he just allowed us to go into his 5-mile long cave. So we're gonna go check it out. I think it's a river cave. He said water comes spilling out of here when it rains really hard. So, oh, that feels nice. I just got hit with a nice wave of cold air. It's so hot out here today. So the guy told us that there's really deep pool of water that almost meets up with the ceiling. So I got a wetsuit on under this. Davis is coming back. He got his wetsuit on. We're coming in prepared. He said it opens up after this though. So we gotta see what this thing's like.
Oh, it's getting colder.
The guy said out there was like a bunch of Indian artifacts inside the riverbed. Really? When the water would come out of the stream, they'd wash deer skins and stuff in it. And they use all sorts of like, you know, knives or rocks that they made into knives.
That's crazy. Oh,
yeah.
There's the water.
Oh, no way. Oh, it's gonna get freezing.
There's like a dive line here.
That's not a good sign.
No.
People were diving this. Oh, there's some of them white cavefish, man.
Oh, nice.
We'll hide them under that ledge right there. There's another one swimming away.
Oh.
That is really cold.
Yeah, that's insane. That's the coldest cave water I've ever felt.
Right? Okay, now it looks like it's meeting up with the ceiling.
Oh yeah, that's not good.
This is the part, man.
Oh, do you feel that breeze?
Yeah. This is the pinch out.
You can see the breeze in the water.
That is crazy. It's making waves. Dude. This is rough.
Oh man, that wind.
That is crazy, dude. It must be massive back there.
I hope it is. Feels like it is.
Right? We are swimming now.
Yeah.
Oh!
You want to take the lead?
Sure. Dude. Oh, buddy. Dude, I think the whole cave's just gonna be flooded, man.
It's looking like it.
We're doing this though.
The water wasn't coming out of the cave, was it?
No, it wasn't. Isn't that weird? It's like just sumped up. It's not a raging river, actually.
Where did it go?
That's a good question.
I guess it's like a sump.
I think this is just a sump, yeah.
Huh.
Oh, dude, it's opening up.
Oh, really?
We might be getting out of the water here in a second.
I'm kind of starting to like it though.
I know, right? Once you told me to start floating on through.
Left or right?
What? It splits?
It splits.
Oh, wow. Okay, okay. Let's go left. Let's stick with the theme of left.
Okay. Well, I think it gets out of the water.
Okay. Dude, look at the ripply sand. That's nice stuff. This area is looking crazy, man.
It
Yeah, very, very rocky, and the rocks look weird here.
Huh.
Oh, we got some formations actually.
Okay. How did that formation look?
Dude, there's more up here actually.
Okay.
Some little bacon.
Cave bacon?
Oh yeah, yummy yummy.
This definitely floods all the way up here, man.
Oh yeah, some fresh mud.
Ripply mud.
Wow, that's cool looking.
This is like the stiffest clay I've ever felt.
I know. It's very pure though. There's no like rocks in it or anything.
Yeah, it's like this is like perfect modeling clay.
I know.
I'm starting to think this.
Yeah. And then there's like these little things sticking out. Look at that. Like little arms sticking out.
Yeah, that's weird.
Little fingers.
Huh, is that like a bacteria? I don't know. It's weird.
I think the way the water works just kicks up these little pieces of mud.
Yeah, that's weird looking, man.
Really weird.
It's some thick mud.
That is.
Oh no.
It's getting real low.
Yeah, it looks like it opens up ahead.
Yeah? We gotta push it.
Keep going. Oh no. Look. Might go under.
That's what I'm saying. Now we can't turn our heads. Holy.
Dude, that was so low.
That's gnarly.
Oh, echo!
Dude, wait, did it split or is this just a room?
Dude, it got way deeper and it's gross.
What? Dude, we might get lost in here.
Look at this, it got so deep. Oh,
Holy.
floating.
Oh, dude, that drops off quick.
Yeah. Look at the mud cloud. This water looks so clean.
It is so clear. Dude, this is
Are we
nice.
sticking to the left?
Dude, let's just keep going left or we're gonna get lost.
Going left.
Dude, now we can swim.
Oh,
This is nice, dude.
oh, it's getting shallow.
It is. But it gets tight. Real tight, man. Wait, it's opening up. Holy crap, it just split again.
Split again?
Yes.
This game is actually 5 miles.
Dude, it's massive.
It's like the world's largest swimming pool.
Right?
Make a serious one.
Oh, that is... It's getting pretty bad over here, man.
Yeah.
Where'd all this mud come from? All right, I'm drawing an arrow so that we know the way we came. Because are we going this way now?
Yeah, but it wraps around. Like you can stay in the water because it's like a sandbar.
We hope. That
I
might.
went around the other side.
Oh, you already did?
I'm
Okay.
not far down there, but this is just like a little mud
Yeah, okay.
collection. Oh, swimming.
Swimming. Woo-hoo. That's nice, dude. Whoa. Little knobs coming up.
Is it getting better over there?
It split.
Again?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that one might lead back to where the water was. This way it gets really wide though.
Come.
This way it gets like really wide. Whoa, look, different type of cavefish up here.
What?
It's one of those little sculpin.
Oh yeah.
Bottom feeder. Whoa. Dude, there's buoys from a boat or something. What are these doing back here?
The water must get pretty damn high in here, man.
Yeah. What the heck?
That's like those dive lines at the entrance. I think that was all completely underwater to the ceiling.
Yep.
Normally.
You think these got washed in from like
No.
above ground? It looks like they just got snagged on this rock.
You don't think somebody put them there? Because this
No.
looks like it might be an air pocket.
I don't think they really put them here. They might have though.
Like this, you know?
Like this might have just been floating up like
yeah, I
this.
think this might be like an air pocket for divers.
Dude, you might be right.
Dude, I think this thing floods bad. I think we're like in a pretty dangerous situation.
Yeah, with the fact that it might rain.
Yeah. It's not looking good, man.
No, at some point we should get out before it gets, you know, 4 p.m. or whenever it was gonna rain.
Yeah, we don't even know what time it is.
Oh yeah, we don't have our phones. Good.
No, it's better than that.
Does it though?
I don't know.
What I gotta ask myself right there. Does it?
It's pretty bad.
Yeah, my way was pretty easy.
Yeah, screw this. They connect.
Yeah, they connect.
Yeah, I'll just move weird.
Yeah. Whoa. This rock's hanging on for dear life. This is a pretty big river now. Yeah. Oh, dude, it's getting deep, deep.
Good.
Look how crystal clear that is.
Feels like the big light might like pull in here. With clear
Dude, it
water.
would. Think I should whip it out? Let me whip it out. All right, let's see what this does.
Dang.
Oh yeah.
It gets that clear water.
Get the sparkles on the ceiling, you know? Looks like a pool in the sunlight or something.
This is like completely crystal clear.
I know.
Oh, slippery. There's no walking in this one.
I'm trying. I'm pretty cold at this point. Giant crawfish.
Where?
Chilling down there. This is nice.
Yeah, it is. I like the reflections.
I know.
You can see the waves through the light.
Yeah, I know, right? It's catching them.
Big crawfish down there.
Big one?
Yeah, way down there.
Heck yeah.
I feel like this is a super dangerous cave for flooding.
Yeah. Oh, dude, it's getting deep.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm better off swimming. But I got the big light out, so I can't.
Not waterproof.
It is, but like you can't just run it underwater. It'll crack the screen with a lens.
Even if like you turn it on initially underwater.
It says don't do that specifically on it.
Okay.
Dude, this is getting deep. I might have to put this away.
I think you might have to. This looks really cool right here.
I know.
Look at the waves. Oh, this is so deep.
It's so deep.
Look how deep that crawfish is down there. Oh. Left and right, huh? It looks like it doesn't really go anywhere.
Nope. This is almost up to our heads.
I know. I'm 6'1". Look at me. It's getting tall. It's getting a little less. Oh, there we go.
Okay, I gotta put the light away.
I'm floating.
Yep, let me put it away.
Oh my gosh, I'm swimming back. It's so deep.
It's so deep, man.
Yeah, it's like 5.5 feet deep right here.
Dang.
Last time I swam was that other cave, that cave called so far.
Oh, yeah.
Next to the treasure tracks.
Oh, this is nice. This is real nice.
I haven't even checked to see if I can.
Nope, I just checked.
I can walk. It's so cool down there.
Whoa.
Dude. At least we have some land if we need a break or something.
Yeah.
Are we going upstream or downstream?
It's so deep, I don't even know.
Like, you just have to be careful if, like, you know, there's suction or something.
Yeah.
It's weird swimming with big boots on.
Yeah, you don't go very fast.
No, they work against you. How's my GoPro looking?
It's looking good. I'm using my bag to float through.
That's not a bad idea. It's like 10 feet deep now.
Yeah, I know. I was getting pretty tired. The temporary, oh dude, it's an underwater shelf.
Yeah, you can stand right here in the shelf.
Barely. You're taller than me.
Yeah.
I'm on my tippy toes.
Yeah, I'm down to keep. How cold are you?
I'm cold, but let's keep going.
Okay.
I'm just gonna be able to make it back out.
I'm gonna take my bag off too.
Yep.
It's sealed well.
Yeah, these swiggles are usually pretty good about it.
Yeah, I'm kind of scared that these will float. I don't know if it's sealed perfectly.
Yeah. I can walk here, yeah.
Yeah. You know those like mud sandbars in the roofs?
Yep.
This is what they usually look like.
Yeah, you're right. Oh, this is getting wild, dude.
This is really wild. Oh, it's so 70 feet now.
It's so deep.
Yeah, it's more than 10. We'll just swim around for hours.
I'm getting pretty cold, not gonna lie. I'm starting to get the shivers.
I'm actually doing pretty good. Oh, my wetsuit actually.
How are your feet? My feet are just so cold.
I don't think I feel them anymore.
Okay, at least we're on the same page with that.
My wetsuit unzipped, so I need to fix that quick.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so nice. So much warmer.
Oh, it's getting shallow again.
I'm kind of liking the swimming, I'm not gonna lie.
I loved it, except the fact that I'm getting cold.
Oh, cavefish.
Cavefish. Oh, it's getting low.
How's it looking?
It's staying this low. It's getting a little low, not gonna lie.
Yeah. The water deep?
Not yet. Wow.
So blue.
So blue.
Look at that, man.
Oh, dude, that's small airspace.
We're going under arches. Yeah. Oh, your GoPro is so close to hitting. I can barely stand. Oh.
Dude, I don't know how much further I can go.
No.
I'm getting really cold.
I'm feeling pretty good.
Yeah? Go poke it and see how far I go.
Whoa. You hear that? Oh, that's just.
It's just the water.
Yeah, it was like water.
Wow.
Well, imagine like your water rushing towards us.
Gosh, we'd have to get out of here.
Oh, that's
Wait, it sumped out, didn't it?
You can keep going, but it's really low.
I don't even think that's possible. Let's go check it out.
It's hard to tell what the floor is and the reflection of the ceiling is. I don't know about that, man.
I don't know about that one.
It's dumped out.
Alright, that might be turning around the clock.
Yep, that's over, man.
Oh. That makes sense, right?
Yeah, we went left the first time, then we went that way.
And that would be the low part.
Yep.
I'm glad you remember the way, man.
70%. We've done it 1%.
Okay.
I'm
Pretty sure?
I know it's not that way,
Okay, good. That's all I need to know.
but from here, I don't know.
I gotta admit, I'm a lot more concerned with it flooding on the way out for some reason.
Yeah, we wouldn't be able to make it through this.
No.
Yeah, we should have been more concerned on the way.
Say what?
We should have been more worried on the way in.
Yeah.
Because if it only went up like 2 or 3 inches, we'd be stuck.
Yeah, we would. Oh, my ears underwater.
Oh yeah, mine is very underwater.
Oh. Yeah, if it flooded, I wouldn't last long in here. For as cold as I am, man.
I mean, we'd be able to get out of the water. There are a bunch of rooms.
No, but it doesn't matter. Being 58 degrees and wet, that isn't.
That's not the way we came from.
No?
Is it? I thought we came from the right.
We probably did. I just don't even know where I'm going at this point.
Is there trails that way?
Wait, I just made these, so hold on. Is there a trail your way?
Yeah, there's trails.
Yeah, I don't really see nothing this way.
I'm sure we can. This is our second left.
Plus, there's a smiley face on this rock that you're grabbing, and I don't remember seeing a smiley face coming in.
Oh, I see the drag marks right here.
Okay.
So we have to head on our way out now?
Yeah, I think I gotta get out of here.
Okay.
Plus the rain, man. Yeah. Like we came from there?
No, when we came in.
Okay.
We went
Dude, I'm just gonna follow the dive line.
Yeah, but you know what I'm saying?
No, dude. I don't know which room we're at, actually.
When we came in, there was nowhere to go except the first split. We went left.
Yep.
And that looks like the left, but we came from the right somehow.
Oh, dude, you're right. So we follow the dive line
That
in.
way and we came out this way. Which I don't know how that
Dude,
happened.
we could have gotten so lost back
Yeah,
there.
how lucky.
So that means if we follow this out, we're almost at the, ouch! We're almost at the
Right where
entrance.
I just put that break, I think that's where we went the wrong way.
Oh, okay. Starting to think we're not where we think we are.
Yeah.
I think it's, I don't think I see any drag marks.
There's no wind, man.
There's a dive line, but
It's not blowing out. I think we turn around.
wait. Is this drag marks?
I think we turned around right here, man. It was blowing out strong when we came in.
Alright, so we gotta get the heck out of
The
here.
air's going the other way and it's barely moving.
This is not good. We're lost now.
It looks like a loss. This is becoming a common theme.
I know.
The water's so murky this way, it has to be it.
Okay. Hopefully. Getting a little freaked out at this point.
The dive line.
Yeah, I don't know that the dive line means anything anymore.
No, this is right. We came in here and we went left and we came from the right way. I was just thinking, well, this is it.
Oh, we're in the main passage again?
Yeah, this is straight
Okay.
exit now.
Okay.
And I can feel the breeze.
Okay, that's giving me a lot of hope.
Yeah, this is it. Sweet, man. We're not stuck in here.
Yeah, that's a really good thing.
Dude, look at the ceiling right here.
Wow. So flat.
No, like upside down mushrooms. That one's like a big ball.
I sure hope this is the way out.
Oh, it is. You feel that breeze?
I do feel the breeze.
Yeah, this is it.
You see it?
I hear it raining or water running.
Huh.
I think it's raining outside.
No way. We're that close to the entrance?
Yeah, it's pouring.
Holy crap.
Dude, it's pouring outside.
Dude, we got out of there just in time.
Look at that.
Oh man. Dude, we got out of there in the nick of time.
Oh my gosh, imagine if we were in there when it flooded,
Oh
man.
my gosh. I've never been so happy to get out of a cave.
Yeah, it's sketchy. Fist bump, man.
Props, man.
Yeah, dude, that was awesome.
Well,
Thunder.
that worked out pretty well.
Our path back was flooded. It's
Yeah.
the river now.
The whole stream bed's turning into the river.
Dude, imagine if we were all
The way back
the
there.
3 inches that we had at the
Oh
ceiling.
my gosh, dude.
We'd be stuck.
I'm glad I got cold, honestly. And I'm glad your wetsuit was,
Yeah.
you know, making your knees burn out.
It all worked out.
It all worked out. Don't attempt that, guys. I guess we got lucky. Go check out Cave Chronicles.
Yep.
And yeah, we'll see you on the next adventure.